is scheduled for one fall with a 15-minute time limit. It is for a contract on a pole match for a shot at the NWA Mountain State Wrestling Heavyweight Championship. And this contract is good for 1 year. First, in this corner right here, introducing the Canadian Lion, Lance Erikson. Second, in this corner right here, here's the one-man wrecking crew, introducing the Bulldozer. Third, in this corner right here, here's Justice. Ref for this match, referee Sean Kelly and referee Ryan.
All right, big three-way match underway. Winner gets a shot at the NWA Mountain State Wrestling television title.
He sure does. All three men, I should say, in that ring, they're gonna team up on Justice. I can see it already. The one-man wrecking crew and Lance Erikson is gonna be jumping Justice. This is, this just ain't fair, man.
And a double single leg takedown. They have a hold of the legs of Justice. They're hooking the arms. They're bringing him up and over the hard way, but Justice springboards to the middle rope, climbs the top rope, almost got the briefcase off the bat, but Bulldozer has him.
Wow. What a huge...
And a spatula to scrape up what's left of Justice.
There goes Lance.
What a massive power bomb, but Dozer, look out.
He's trying to get it. No. Close.
Erikson.
No time at all.
Erikson almost took advantage of a great opportunity there. Dozer waylaid Justice, took a moment too long to admire his handiwork. Erikson almost got the title shot, and now he's working away at the Dozer. Hits him with a back elbow off the ropes, and a stiff shot to the jaw.
There it is, fans. Two huge athletes in this very ring right now. Bulldozer, the Canadian Lion, Lance Erikson. Meanwhile, Justice out there taking a break, taking a breather after that vicious jump and vicious assault by both men.
A sorely needed breather at that. Dozer hit him with a very high impact power move. Justice is taking his time, though. He's made his way back to the apron, and neither the Bulldozer or Erikson has taken the time to notice it yet. As Bulldozer continues to work away on Erikson with some wicked forearm shots, sends him out of the corner to the opposite side of the ring, and now he's looking for a massive...
Oh, man!
I thought he was going to go for a body splash, went for a shoulder tackle, missed big. Justice nails Erikson with the suplex.
Yes, picking up the leftovers after he... Is this a pin? There we go.
No pinfalls in this match, Justice. You have good ring instincts, but I think that you aren't focusing on what's at hand. This match, you gotta climb that pole. This match, you gotta climb that pole and grab a hold of that contract in that briefcase.
Yes, there is a contract in there to become the #1 contender for the NWA Mountain State Wrestling Heavyweight Champion. A nice clothesline by Justice. He knows, though, he can't run up there and grab that contract just yet. So everybody watching, this is a contract match. You got to climb up there. You got to get that suitcase. There's a contract in there to be the #1 contender for the NWA Mountain State Wrestling Heavyweight Champion.
And Justice, while he's a strong man, getting dominated
Look at this.
by one of the two mammoths in this match, Lance Erikson. And Dozer trying to climb the ropes there. Erikson wastes no time in cutting him off.
Man, look at the face of Lance Erikson. He is so vicious, so angry. Oh man, Bulldozer coming back.
Well, Erikson's definitely stepped up his game a bit the last couple of weeks, but Bulldozer slingshots himself in for a sunset flip.
Can he do it? Can he do it?
For whatever purpose, I don't know. That's a pinfall attempt there. It's not going to count for a hill of beans, though. Justice Walks on over, leg drops Lance Erikson. I don't know why the heck he didn't climb up that pole, though, and try to get a hold of the briefcase.
Well, he knows that he can't get up there just yet. It's pointless. You know, you got to take both men down. Both men got to be either one unconscious or severely hurt.
Well, it looks like the Bulldozer is getting ready to absolutely dismantle Justice, so that Justice is the man who can't move. And then he's down to taking out one man, Lance Erikson. And the King of West Virginia doing a great job for the moment of dominating Justice.
Yeah, he sure is. But, you know, I don't underestimate Justice, because looks like he's going to try to... Oh, man.
He's going to try to go splat is what he's going to try to do.
Well,
I suppose you want to talk all day about Heart and Desire, but Heart and Desire just met a super heavyweight King of West Virginia who wants a television title shot.
yeah. Oh, wow, what a nice DVT by Lance Erikson. This is his time right now to go up there and reach for that contract so he could be that #1 contender.
But a lot of time going by. If Erikson wants to grab that contract, he needs to go over there and do it. 10 minutes remaining. Erikson drops an elbow on the King of West Virginia.
What a big elbow. Huge. The King. He ain't looking like royalty right now. No, he isn't. Now, the Canadian Lion, he's definitely doing something here. He's trying to make a name for himself here at NWA.
Well, that's what
Wrestling.
you got to do. This is professional wrestling. You don't have time to be a good sportsman. You don't have time to not be aggressive out there. And you see Justice tried to get back in there. Erikson brought him back in the hard way.
He sure did. He sure did. Absolutely, man. I don't know why Lance ain't going for that contract. I guess he wants to do just a lot more damage to Justice.
Well, we've seen time and time again in this match. We thought two men were down, and then one man gets up at the last second and prevents that briefcase from being grabbed a hold of. So right now, if you're Erikson, the only thing I can think he's trying to accomplish is to hurt his opponents beyond any stretch of the imagination to make sure he can grab it.
There he is. He's going for it right now.
But you see, King Dozer already up, and he catches Lance Erikson very easily there.
Yes. I don't think he was even close. Bulldozer seen him, and here we go.
And the two mammoths of the mountain waylaying one another, and Erikson just sent the Bulldozer outside of this ring.
Yeah, he kind of threw him out. Big elbow right to the skull of Justice. I have a little Justice is off the ropes.
Whoa! Power slam, and that may be an understatement. You heard the impact of that in every corner of the building.
This is the time. This is when the Canadian Lion needs to reach for that contract.
Well, you're absolutely right about that, Shock. If there's been a moment in this match where a man has had an opportunity to grab a hold of that briefcase, right now is that moment for Erikson, and I do not know how Justice is grabbing a hold of his leg.
He is. He grabs his leg. He wants to be that #1 contender is what it is. It's running through his veins, flowing through his blood.
Well, that might be running through his brain, it might be coursing through his blood, that desire to win, but Erikson isn't giving up that opportunity to him so easily.
No, he isn't.
And the Bulldozer comes in the back door.
Yeah, this ain't gonna be easy for any opponent right now. Bulldozer, I know he's angry. I know he's trying to get back at the Canadian Lion.
And what a big move by the Bulldozer.
Yeah, it's more about revenge right now.
Whoa!
Almost. Can he do it? Can he knock him down?
Vicious running clothesline, 2 times not enough. 3rd time's the charm.
He does it. He knocks down the one-man wrecking crew.
Justice is a house of fire right now. I don't know how he did it. The smallest man in this contest. So much energy, so much heart, so much desire, as you said, Jacques Moliere.
Here we go. He's going for that huge textbook suplex, but he's having a hard time. He can't do it.
Of course he's having a hard time. That's a super heavyweight King of West Virginia. And now the Bulldozer reversing that suplex attempt.
Yes, it was very nice, I have to admit. Poor Justice after that move.
And Lance Erikson pulling the Bulldozer to the outside of the ring, following that maneuver.
Big chops. I'll tell you, man, the Bulldozer and Lance Erikson, I can see these guys in the future. Man, these guys are going to go 1-to-1. Oh, here we go. They get a little up close and personal action up in here.
And the king of West Virginia, Lance Erikson, trading blows on the outside. Neither man paying much attention to Justice, who's up on the ring apron right now. And Justice, with a big head of steam, dives out and he nails the Bulldozer.
That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead, Justice. Show everybody that Justice is served.
And Justice, using every trick in his book today, he rolls into the ring. He's the only man in there.
He's the new #1 contender. Absolutely right.
All he has to do is climb up top and grab a hold of the briefcase, but Lance Erikson there to grab his foot.
Well, I thought for sure he was going to grab that contract.
Enziguri by Justice.
Nice kick right to the head. You know he's feeling that. Meanwhile, Bulldozer's still on the outside. Oh, walking all over Lance.
And a show of disrespect by Justice to Lance Erikson, who still grabs a hold of his foot.
He's got him. Both men got each other. Oh, man, double team.
And Bulldozer slingshots Justice across the middle rope.
10 minutes has elapsed. 5 minutes remaining.
And every man in this contest wants that title shot so much.
Yes, they want it bad. I mean, that is the most prestigious title in NWA Mountain State Wrestling.
It's definitely one of the most prestigious.
There
and
we
if you
go.
got a hold of the TV title, next in line for that heavyweight title, as far as I'm concerned, you should be. And Erikson and the Bulldozer trading blows. Erikson nailing the key with a knee to the gut.
Big elbow right to the head. The Bulldozer just could not take anymore. He's going for Justice now.
Erikson locking up Justice. Suplex City, cradles the leg, and drops him down hard.
Big move, big. This is it. This is what the Canadian Lion needed.
You want to know what impact looks like? Take a look at that maneuver later. You can't see that more than once. You gotta see it twice to truly appreciate it.
There we go. Bulldozer stuck in that corner right now. Lance throws him to the corner, reverse! Big spear.
And the Bulldozer almost cut his body in half with that one.
Uh-oh. The anger inside the Bulldozer. It is time to destruct, time to take everybody out. You know, I don't know everybody, but I say who will be the new #1 contender, I just can't tell right now. I mean, maybe y'all would know, but I just don't know.
A lot of determined competitors out there today.
He's off the ropes.
Big time Spinebuster!
Justice, he's reaching for it. Here we go. He's going to be the new #1 contender.
He's
so close. So close.
Erikson, though, chops the legs out from under him. Justice got caught in a precarious position there.
3 minutes remaining.
And Lance Erikson positioning Justice.
Man.
Justice almost walked out of this one as a winner just now.
So close. Look, he's still trying to reach for it. Oh man, it looks like a superplex off the top rope.
And he nails it.
Man, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
But look at Erikson after that maneuver. He absorbed a lot of punishment too.
Well, he's still getting up though. Here we go. New #1 contender. He is so close. He's got his hands practically on it.
He just touched the briefcase. He's within an instance. He's got it. He's got it.